Coming to a property we design and manage here. You can see here's a downspout to our first rain garden, rain basin. Come out here, you see our little meadow, and then another rain basin here. Catching that downspout in the back. Coming out here, you can see the overflow gets directed out here, out of that pipe there, into our swale on contour. You can see right here, there's an outlet right at this berry here for our greywater line. Laundry to landscape system, you can see another one down there. Right here's another angle of that rain basin. And a little RO rock here. Distributes the waste from the RO tank. Walking along here, you can see here, it's our laundry to landscape outlet from the house. Here's another downspout connecting into a rain basin that comes underneath this DG pathway and feeds this rain basin. Okay, feeding that nice persimmon. And over there we got a few fruit trees. You can see our avo down there. Right here is the overflow to send the water down in that basin, down again into our swale on contour. You can see we got an avo there, a fig there, an orange, a lemon, and then an apple down on the way. And we got our strawberry guava hedge. So you can see here all a bunch of ground cover, a bunch of nitrogen fixers. Sitting here in our swale. All these fruit trees are fed by a branch drain greywater system. See here some lemongrass, a bunch of natives popping up in here. Another berry at the end of our greywater line. You can see here, this is a native food forest, greywater, rainwater harvesting landscape. It hides in perfectly. Looks beautiful.